I'm going to give you my top 5 traits of what it takes to become a successful, profitable, and independent Forex trader. So if you're not yet profitable, you need to listen to these 5 traits and adapt them and adopt them as part of your trading plan. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey there traders, it's Andrew Mitchum here, the owner of the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 560. So today I want to give you my top 5 traits of where I see profitable Forex traders, what it takes to become a profitable trader, but also independent profitable Forex trader, without copying and following other people all of the time. Now, of course, when people are new, it's great to be able to do that, but over time, you want to be able to do this for yourself without the reliance on another website or another person. And that's what I call a successful trader. Now, I've been trading the Forex market for over 20 years full time, and I've been coaching for over 15 years. We've got clients in 108 countries right now. So I've got a fair bit of experience, and I've seen all sorts of different types of people come and go. And I know what it takes to become a successful trader. So first thing is, number 1 trait of a successful and profitable trader is they know their strategy. They know it inside out, upside down. Now, they may have created it like I did. They may have purchased it like you can do through us at the Forex Trading Coach, a proven strategy. However it happens, they know and understand that strategy. They know it completely. They know the ups and downs of it. They know all the details of it. It allows them to trade with confidence, knowing that that strategy has been proven over time. And so having that complete confidence and faith in what they're doing is absolutely crucial. You wouldn't believe how many people come to me that have got these strategies, and I ask them a question and they don't know the answer about it because they don't really know what it is they're looking for. And so number 1 trait, you have to have a strategy that suits you as a person and as a trader and your available times, etc. That's been proven over a long period of time to work across multiple market conditions and changing conditions. So number 1, confidence and ability to trade your strategy is absolute crucial. Number 2, you have to understand money management, risk management. You have to trade with low risk per trade. Forget about pips. Like people that make X number of pips or risk X number of pips per trade, it's never going to work. You have to understand the market and you have to trade with a stop loss that's correct for that time frame of the chart, the movement in the market right now, the pair that you're trading, etc. So when you have a trade, for me, every trade I take has a very low it's a predefined risk level as a percentage of my account. And so whether my account's $1,000 or $100,000 or I'm trading on a prop firm with $500,000, it does not matter. I trade the trade. Its risk is always X% of my account. And so as your account starts growing, you're risking more money per trade, but it's still the same percentage. Likewise, if you end up having some losing trades, and let's face it, everybody does, as your account starts going down, you're risking a smaller amount per trade, but it's still the same percentage of your account balance. So understanding that, and also extra things like, not doubling up on trades and people potentially using martingale systems and all these type of things, or no stop loss at all, or different stop losses depending on the time frame of the chart, all these sort of things. To me, all of that doesn't work. You have to have low controlled, equal risk on every single trade. High reward to risk. So when you have profitable trades, they're making like 2, 3, 4, 5 times your risk. So that's really important. The third point, I see the dedicated traders as being the successful ones. You've got to be dedicated. You've got to stick to your plan, accept there are ups and downs, and be consistent in what you do. Now, the market is never consistent. There will be times where you'll have profitable days, losing days, profitable weeks, or even months and losing weeks and months. It just happens. It's part of trading. It's not a straight line. So you have to be accepting of that, but you have to be consistent in showing up. You cannot be one of these people who goes, and this brings into point number 4, which is successful traders are not emotional when they're trading either. So 3 and 4 kind of combined. As in, you can't have, let's say, a run of winning trades and then you do something stupid and you just think the market's just going to be wonderful and in your favor all the time, and then you go and blow it. Likewise, if you have a few losing trades, you can't go, oh, I'm just not going to trade. The market's not in my favor. It's all against me. And you don't stick to your plan and you miss out on good trades. So having that consistency of showing up, doing the same thing all the time, when you see the pattern that you're trading or whatever it is that you're looking for, you take the trade. You see the trade, you take the trade. And when it comes to the emotion, point number 4, I like the phrase of, because I'm a technical trader, I like to trade what I see and not so much what I think. As in, you can read the news, you can hear news events, you can listen to, TV, radio, internet commentary, whatever it might be. And you sometimes run into that danger of thinking this is going to happen. Now, classic example might be cryptos or metals. Everybody says, oh, gold's going to go up or Bitcoin's going to go up. And so everybody's just thinking, I'm just going to buy those. And they may have, according to their plan and their strategy, the perfect sell trade. And they're not taking it because, or they're risking they're taking a smaller position size or something like that. So trade what you see. The market's going to do what the market wants to do, regardless of what you think, I think, or anybody else thinks. So trade what you see. It's really important that you do that and keep your emotions out of it. Good trades will happen, losing trades will happen. So keep your emotions low, trade like the patterns, play the game, it's probabilities. There's nothing absolute 100% certain in any form of trading strategy at all. Even an A+ setup will sometimes lose, just the way it is. Point number 5, don't reinvent the wheel, but also a good trader is adaptable to change as well. Now, what I mean by that is don't reinvent the wheel, that when you have a strategy that works, if you have a few days or a week or so that it loses, don't go reinventing the wheel. Don't go out there searching for the next system or adding the next indicator or adding the next expert advisor and all these things. Don't do that. If you've got a strategy and a system that works, stick to it. But also, what I mean by being adaptable, the classic example is this. Over the last number of years, and you'd have heard me talking about this, we have added more currency pairs to what we have available to trade, and that's thanks to the brokers. On MT5, there's more time frame charts, there's more markets, like a lot more metals. It used to be just gold and silver, and now it's like gold against the yen, gold against the pound, silver against the Aussie, etc. like that. You can have like the coppers, you can have the indices, you can have the metals, you can have, like I mentioned a few weeks ago, sugars and coffees and things like that. So you've got Hungarian florins, you've got Norwegian kronas, you've got Swedish kronas, you've got all these other Forex pairs and other markets and more time frames like 4-hour charts and 6-hour charts and 12-hour charts, to adapt to the market of what we have available. Yes, is good, but don't go reinventing the wheel and trying to create something just because you've had a few losing trades. So you put those 5 points together, you're going to give yourself a really great chance of success. Now, if you'd like to find out more about how we trade and how we teach and how we can help you, have a look at my masterclass. It's a 17-minute on-demand free masterclass. I'll put a link to it so you can jump on board and watch that when it works for you. If you'd like to book a call with me or one of the team, I'll put a link to that, and you can have a 30, 40-minute chat with us to decide if we're the right fit for each other. And if you're out there looking for a really good broker, I can strongly recommend you have a look at Blueberry Markets. I'll put a link to them as well. They do offer MT4, but also more importantly now MT5. They've actually got a new prop firm running as well, which has been running for the last few months. And with their MT5 platform, you do have access to so many of those extra markets plus time frame charts that I talked about. So I hope that helps. If you're not profitable right now and you want help, please do ask and seek help. And we have, as I said, a strategy that I've been trading myself for about 17 years now. trading myself for 20, getting close on 21. Took me close on 4 years of making nothing before I developed what I have now. Teaching for more than 15 years. So it's well and truly proven. If you're lacking the strategy and the confidence in your strategy, we can certainly help you there. When it comes to risk management and emotion and things like that, all of that combines, by the way. If your risk is low and controlled, your emotions are under control. The whole thing all blends in together, but you put those 5 points together, you're going to give yourself a very high chance of being a successful and independent Forex trader. So this is Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.